Stop scrolling. If you're paying $50, $100, even $300 every month for AI video tools, you need to watch this. Because what I'm about to show you might replace all of them with a single one-time payment. This is my honest review of Infinity AI Video Lab, and I'll reveal exactly what it does, what's inside, the real benefits, and whether it's actually worth your money. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into AI videos, content creation, YouTube automation, Reels and AMP, Shorts, agency work, or selling video services, then this might be one of the most powerful AI tools released this year. Let's break it down. What is Infinity AI Video Lab? It's an all-in-one AI video creation platform that gives you access to multiple top video models, all in one dashboard. Instead of paying monthly for video generators, AI voice tools, avatar tools, editing software, and image generators, this platform combines everything into a single system. And the biggest hook? It's a one-time payment. No monthly subscriptions, lifetime access. Benefits. Here's why this is getting so much attention. Create cinematic videos in minutes. Generate voiceovers instantly. Make reels, shorts, ads and explainers. Create client videos. Start an AI video agency and sell content services. It's built for creators, freelancers, marketers, agencies, and beginners. Even if you have zero experience. Inside Infinity AI Video Lab, the real value. This is where it gets crazy. Inside Infinity AI Video Lab, you're getting access to multiple premium AI tools combined into one system. Lifetime access to dashboard. No monthly fees, no limits. Access everything for life. Value, $997. Access to top AI video models. Includes powerful engines like Sora, Runway, Kling, Pixverse, Stable Video Diffusion, Luma Dream Machine, HeyGen, Synthesia. All included in one place. Value, $1,497. 4K/HD video generator. Create social videos, ads, shorts, explainers, cinematic content. Value, $997. AI, image plus motion studio. Create thumbnails, product visuals, ad creatives, and overlays. Value, $599. Realistic AI voice generation. Generate multilingual voiceovers instantly. Value, $699. Custom AI video assistance. Automate video creation, editing, scripting, and client work. Value, $799. Multilingual content engine. Create videos in 50+ languages. Value, $399. Built-in commercial license. You can sell videos, voiceovers, content services. Value, $599. Start your own AI video business. You can even build your own SaaS model or agency. Value, $997+. Step-by-step monetization training. Learn how to turn AI videos into income. Value, $299. 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. If you don't like it, get a full refund. Peace of mind included. Total value, over 10,000+ worth of tools in one platform. Results, an AMP. Use cases. People are using this too. Create faceless YouTube channels, build TikTok Reels pages, run video agencies, sell video services on Fiverr, Upwork, create marketing content, save thousands in monthly subscriptions, and because it's beginner-friendly, results can start fast. And here's the best part. If you grab Infinity AI Video Lab using the link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonuses free. These are designed to help you get results faster. You'll get AI video templates, content prompts, faceless YouTube strategy guide, client getting scripts, and monetization roadmap. This makes the whole package even more powerful. So, is Infinity AI Video Lab worth it? If you're serious about creating AI videos, building content channels, starting a video business, or saving money on monthly tools? Then yes, this is one of the strongest all-in-one AI platforms available right now. Click the link below to check it out and lock in the bonuses before the price goes up. And I'll see you in the next review.